Hello. So today I want to show you how you can get cheap data plan on MTN, Airtel and GLO. These three networks have some amazing cheap data that you might not even know right now. So I'm going to show you how you can get them, how you can continue to get them, and how you can always get them. So come, let me show you. So I'm going to be starting with the MTN. For MTN, there are many ways you can actually get cheap data on MTN, but the one I use the most is *312*65. So once you dial this, it takes you to a place where you get some cool cheap data. Okay, so this is it. This one you can get 250 MB for 100 naira for 3 days. Then you can get 1 gig per week for 200 naira, and then you can get 4 gig monthly plan for 4 gig monthly plan for 1000 naira, and then you get 2 gig for 500 naira for 2 weeks. So this one is one of them, but this one is not available for everybody, so you have to like use this on a sim that you don't use regularly. Like if you use your sim regularly to do this and all that, they won't actually give you these plans. So this work best if you have like extra sim that you don't use frequently, and occasionally you can just bring it in and do this on. Let me show you what I mean. Like this is my other sim now. Doesn't It's not really in my big phone, so let me try it on it. You'll see that it will say I'm not eligible for this. You see, you are not eligible to win back service. But if I do it on this other one, let me just get that out of the way. On this one, you can see the plans. Okay, that's it. So that one is sim selective. Yeah, you have to keep yours. You have to use it on sim that you don't use every time. Understand? So that is one. The second one you can do is dial *121#, and then you go. This one, the offers are not stable, yeah, so you can just try one. That's top days. You check what you have for the day. This one is 2 gig for 500 naira. This goes for 2 weeks, I think. It's for 2 weeks. If you check it well, okay, and you have to give for 2 weeks. Okay, for 7 days. Sorry, not for 2 weeks, but at least you can see use that too. That's kind of cheap for me. So let's try if there is an offer for the second option. Oh, this one is a combined option, so this one doesn't really work. And then there is one other secret one too. That *567 on MTN. This gives you an offer as well. You see, this one is 1 gig for 200 naira. So this one is quite cheap too. So you can be using all this if you don't have money. It's for 7 days. And the duration is very important as well, because you might get high data but you don't have time to use it. But at least for 7 days you can be able to finish 1 gig unless you are using Java phones from back in the days. So that is for MTN. Now let me go back to my big phone and show you the other networks. So for GLO network, what you have to do is dial the normal *312#, and then you go, and then you continue to buy data, proceed. I like using the one-off because I don't use the same plan all the time. So you look for special data offer. That is number 5. Go, and then special plans again, and then these are the only ones you can manage for GLO. 300 naira for 1 gig per day, and then 500 for 2 gig for 2 days, and then 15 for 7 gig. This is the one I use the most. This 15 for 7 gig for 7 days. At least that one is good. That one is manageable. So these are the only plan you can manage on GLO for now. I don't know, unless they bring out other, although they have other mini plans, but for me I don't find too much value in them, because they split them. Like they give you 1.8 gig for 500 naira, they'll give you 1 gig for night, and then the minute 800 MB for, which is for me not very cool. So I don't like that one. So the first one I showed you is the one I use, the special plan. Let me show you again. Special plans again. So this is it. just follow just follow the steps, and then let's go to Airtel. So Airtel is much like MTN. They have some cool shape feature. For me, just enter the normal *312 and then you go to my offer. My offer. Go to my offer and then you press 3. More data offer. Press 3 and then these are the plans they have. For me, I think MTN and Airtel are kind of the best network where you can get cheaper plans. So for this one, you can get 250 MB for 15 naira, then 500 MB for 100, 1 gig for 200, just like MTN, 300 naira for 1.5 gig, 2 gig for 500, and then 1000 naira for 5 gig. And the days are very okay as well. You can get them for 7 days, 14 days, and so that's cool. So at least these are the cheap plan you can manage if you don't have a lot of money on you and you want to manage your money and get good data offer. You can also buy this data plan and then you mix them with the night plan. That is, if you are in a late bed, you would have browse in the night and stay awake. Maybe you walk or do anything you like. So that's it. For Night Mobile, I don't really use them for now. So, but I will check and maybe upload a separate video for that later on. Okay, so thanks. If you find this codes useful, just drop a like, subscribe, and share to your friends too, for them to at least see the secret code you are using to cheat them. Okay, bye.